Hello everybody, it's me Sean Bassey, and I am playing Legos. It's pretty weird that I'm not playing like a video game or anything, but we're playing Legos. So to get started, this is actually Technic, or yeah, like Technic Legos, whatever you want to call them. And I'm going to be actually making transmission with this type of Legos. It's going to have two gears, probably reverse and backwards. I don't mean, same thing. Reverse and forwards. And yeah, here we go. Um, so first, you're going to need these two pieces, like these kind of hanger pieces right here. And then you're going to need these right here. Get this. These, the things that hold them in, and then two long pieces, as you can see here. So basically, we're going to insert this right here, like a long piece. Show you this one. We're going to insert this into there and put a little a turning around thing like this, and then you're going to put something on the end if you want to. So it's kind of like this, so you can like turn it around easily. But so let me get that back on. So you're gonna put this through and put it through the top up here, and then you're gonna see that. When my computer keeps on going to sleep. Sorry. So you're gonna do it like that. Then you're gonna get this piece, which is these gray little cogs, and then you're going to open this, and then you're gonna insert it from inside. You're gonna insert two of them, so make sure you have two. Let me find one. Sorry guys. I need to find one really quick. I should have had this set up. Can't find it. I'll be right back, guys. Okay, I'm back, and I found one of these little things again. Okay, and you can see right there, we're going to insert two right here. Look at this. Okay, so two of these, and you can see. So you're going to put this through here, right here, and then you're going to keep one right here, and leave that space just enough for another cog. So like they'll switch. So like this. Like they'll switch perfectly. And you can like do this. They'll go like that. They'll switch. Okay. So like just enough for another cog to go in. Like a little opening. So and then here's the easy part. You're gonna flip it over like that. Then you're going to get another cog, like any cog that connects to those, and then you're going to get something that connects. For example, something like this piece that'll connect into this piece, like that. So like, something like that. And then you're gonna want to get this cog, and you're going to want to go under, and let me show you the final product. Let me figure this out. Well, this black piece. This right here. Let me get my computer. Next time I'll get my computer. Okay, so this little black piece that is used to connect Legos in Technic. So you're gonna put this like this. And like that. So you're gonna get a little piece and they're gonna connect so you're able to turn them. But right now the transmission is in like reverse. But you'll see how it works. So like they'll be able to turn, okay? And then you're gonna do the same with the other side. But it might be connecting with the other cog or it might not. But let's just find another cog. Where are they? Or another like mechanical thing. Whatever you want to call them. Organize this. Can't find. Oh, no, that's not one. I'll see you when I find one, I guess. Okay. Okay, I'm back, guys, and I found piece of this one cog. But I can't seem to find the other one. But I found this one. I just realized that now that this is a different one. But this piece, this get this piece or the gray one we put on earlier, like the dark gray. But basically, you're gonna do the same thing. You're gonna do green one. But basically, just do the same thing on the other side if you have that cog with you. Like I don't have the cog. Been searching for it for like what's it? 6 minutes now, I guess. And wait, just have to find another piece. This is like 3/4 of what I do in Lego. 3/4 of the time, I search for Legos. Where is it? I can't. Oh, found it. Okay. Yeah, I found it. Okay, we have our finished product. I had to snap a little thing on here for demonstration. Okay, but let me turn this back on so I can see what. So you can see right here, it's pretty simple. If you pull that little, lever thing right here, you see that thing? If you pull it back and forth, it actually will turn into the cogs. Like, it'll switch back and forth between the cogs. So you'll have one open, and then you'll have the other. It's kind of like how cars work, except they have a bigger one, a much longer one. But you can turn them. You can switch back and forth. But like, I switch between this one, and then I switch between that one. See? It turns. Like, I'm actually pulling this back and forth, as you can see. But sometimes you have to give it a little push, like, because they have these little bitty things that make it turn. But I'm actually switching as I turn them. If I switch to the other one, it doesn't work. If I switch to this one, it works. And this one pretty much does nothing. The dark gray one. But yeah, that's basically how you make transmission. If you wanted to make anything, yeah, you could put this in a car. You could put this in, something. I don't know. It would be more. You could put it in a machine. I don't know. You got two different, things. Two different things with one stone. 2 birds with 1 stone. Because these are 2 cogs, and you have 1 lever that turns them. But it's just more mechanical. If you wanted to do like 2 levers that push 1 different thing for 1, but I just decided to do this for video. But it's pretty easy. Pretty easy to turn, to switch, but sometimes it switches by itself. You could, experiment with this. I don't know. Improve it, I guess. But that's all, I guess. And I'll see you guys next time.